I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while.
I don't know how to cook, and I'm honestly surprised the guy who agreed to marry me showed up to the wedding. I also don't like to exercise. He does. So at this point, we're 0 for 2 in compatibility. But I will find ways to compromise, and then I'll share our discoveries with you, the viewer. So if you are a foodie, enjoy hiking out in nature while learning about the history of a faraway land, or simply just get a kick out of watching your dog frolic in the waves of the Mediterranean, then this episode just might be for you, because we're going to let you in on a few amazing places we visited while living here. And if you enjoy this episode, we'd love to have you join our little subscriber family and hear from you. So please don't forget to leave us a comment. It does not get more authentic than this local restaurant in the town of Finike in southwestern Turkey. They are known for their trout dishes, which, by the way, they cook on stones. But everything on the menu looks absolutely incredible. The decor in this place itself is an absolute delight. It's a museum of interesting artifacts that has a full-fledged stream full of fish running throughout the property, providing a really nice and peaceful sound. You can literally spend an entire afternoon just gazing around from room to room. There's 2 main areas for seating, but there's also little private cabins spread out through the property for those of you who want a little cozy, home sweet home kind of atmosphere. For an amateur photographer like me, it was the ideal place to spend the better part of a wonderful day. Doing a little nature hike on this Sunday. We noticed there's a car at the top of that cliff, and it literally looks like it's gonna fall down on top of me. Let's go try and see if we can go find it. Still trying to find that car that's going off the cliff. There's an entire building
sitting on that rock.
Sitting on just that rock. And the concrete is the shape of the rock. I don't think there was any engineers involved in
they poured all that concrete on top of it, and then that post.
I don't know that would meet building code requirements in the United States. Look how skinny these support columns are. They're basically just concrete block. Those little tiny thin columns are supporting this whole structure. I'm in complete disbelief right now. Nice little hike. Good for me. Oh, look at the chicken. It's the boy chickens. That's a boy one, right? With the red thing hanging on his throat. And all the other ones are... Well, that doesn't sound... that sounds like... Do it again. Oh my god. Not even close, I don't think. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
He's got this way some more.
Where's the music? That's well and good. This way?
Teşekkür ederim. Fantastic.
Go that way?
Go this way just yeah. That's good. Hey, we're in the same spot now. We can eat under it.
Teşekkür ederim. In February of last year, we were finally able to apply for our Turkish residency card so we could remain in the country for more than 90 days, which is what your tourist visa allows you to do. The interview took place in Kemer, so we rented a car and off we went along with some Marina friends who were also scheduled for their interview on the same day. To have our residency approved, we had to prove we were living in Turkey by way of a 1-year Marina contract in Finike. At the time of our application process, we fully intended to stay in Turkey for the rest of the year, so it was a no-brainer and money well spent. Or was it? More to come on that in future episodes. We are officially Turkish temporary residents. Been here since the beginning of October, and our 3 months were up at the beginning of January, but we had an appointment for today in Kemer to submit our application for residency, and there's the paperwork. We are officially residents of Turkey for the next year. How do you feel?
Happy.
Relieved?
Relieved it's done, so now we can wait another month and wait for our paperwork so we can leave.
Yeah, we've got a temporary little piece of paper that says that we're here legally now, but we have to wait another 30 days to get our little plastic card with our Turkish ID. And then we can officially leave this marina with the boat and go start our spring and summer sailing season. I'm so relieved. One more thing done.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow.
Day trip to go hiking and to the beach, and we stopped off for a quick breakfast at this bungalow. Gözlemes is what these are called. I like mine with egg and cheese. You can get them with potatoes, with minced meat, with all kinds of stuff. They're so yummy.
Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans.
Oh my god, look at that water. Come on, little girl.
The way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes. Hey, my friend, we'll never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. dress now probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more road, one more dance.
You got 3 there, that was good. There were 2 or 3.
Well, dang, you're up. Oh my God. Get that on video.
They're worse than a girl.
Hey,
Two.
there
it is. Wow, 4, good one.
4.
Oh my God.
How the hell did you?
I don't know.
How the hell you were going this way?
Yeah, I'll do one of those as well.
How do you hold it? Hold it. Yeah. Like
Don't do it too long.
Yeah. You gotta.
Woo!
Wow. It's the little things. Yes. Winning.
You've
Winning.
got the technique now.
Joey, watch
Well,
out.
there's the last one
Joey,
now.
Go get in the woods before Mama hits you.
I'm trying to remember the stance that she was doing. You have to.
Yeah.
Go sideways, babe.
That's the super.
After a really nice relaxing time at the beach, we began our hike up to the main attraction of the area, the Caledonia Lighthouse. This is the portion of the video where you just hear me completely out of breath. We are now going up to the lighthouse. I feel like this would be a good place to insert a little warning label for folks who, like me, are in absolutely terrible shape. This hike is definitely not for the faint of heart. The Caledonia Lighthouse is one of the preferred routes for folks hiking the Lycian Trail because of its history and its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. You can find the lighthouse only by foot, and it's located in Cape Caledonia.
Soup. No. All right.
Yeah, he is all muscle. The Cape, along with the islands in front of it, has a very important place in Lycian geography and maritime history, because this is the most dangerous area in the Gulf of Antalya due to its reverse currents. Swamp Pass is coming. In ancient times, crossing the cape was very difficult because the currents dragged ships into the rocks and turned the area into an underwater ship graveyard. I've got my fan because it's hot. Holy moly, that's where we came from, all the way down there. Scientific underwater research and exploration has taken place in the last 50 years or so, and ships dating back to the 15th century have been found.
The most dangerous current.
How awesome. The French began to build the lighthouse in 1934 and it was put into operation by 1936. The lighthouse is 227 meters above sea level and it's built into a rock cliff. It's 3 kilometers inland. It's 9 meters tall and the viewing distance on a good day is about 16 kilometers. It's the tallest lighthouse on the Turkish coast. Come here, follow Mama.